This is my wife, and she loves K-pop Demon Hunters. And for some reason, she's obsessed with this singular facial expression, one-line derpy face having. I found it on Bamboo Handy. We're making 3D printed junk today. This is my favorite part of using AMS. If only life pulls you forward just as much as AMS pulls this filament. Filament's loaded, and then we just send it to the printer. This is gonna have to wait until I get back home from work. All of that for one of these. Babe,